Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will provide you information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIMS Rishikesh, and registration for AIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health MPH course for January 2025 session has been started. In this video, information regarding AIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health admissions for January 2025 session, important dates, and information regarding AIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health entrance exam syllabus and pattern will be provided. MPH entrance exam pattern and syllabus will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, UTPG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Christian Medical College Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other competitive exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh MPH course January 2025 session. Last date of submission of application with the requisite document and fee through registered post speed post 15th of October 2024 5 pm. And application fees for SC, ST, EWS 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable. Unreserved OBC 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. PWD exempted from any fee. So in this video, information regarding AIMS Rishikesh, important dates will be provided and entrance exam pattern and syllabus will be provided. These are the important dates for AIMS Rishikesh MPH course admission for January 2025 session. Last date for submission of application up to 15th of October 2024 Tuesday. Email regarding examination up to 4th of November 2024 Monday. Written entrance MCQ examination up to 19th of November 2024 Tuesday. Departmental assessment up to 5th of December 2024 Thursday. Result up to 4th of December 2024 Saturday. So these are the important dates. Now this is the summary of examination pattern. Please see test for details and explanations. Mode of examination computer based test CBT online OMR. Date of examination 19th of November 2024. So entrance exam will be on 19th of November 2024. Reporting time at examination center 9 am. Location of examination center AIMS Rishikesh. Language of paper English. Type of written entrance examination and duration. So type of written entrance exam. Written entrance exam is of objective type and duration is 180 minutes. So this is 180 minutes exam. 3 hours exam, 180 minutes exam. Number of questions, important topics with tentative marks, distribution. So this is the syllabus. 200 multiple choice questions, MCQs. So 200 MCQs will come, and topics that will come in entrance exam. Research methodology and biostatics. First topic is research methodology and biostatics for 30 marks. Second is epidemiology for 30 marks. Third is population sciences 30 marks. Fourth, National Health Program 20 marks. Fifth, Basic of Public Health 15 marks. Sixth, Basic of Nutrition 15 marks. Seventh, General Knowledge 20 marks. Eighth, Logical Reasoning 20 marks. Ninth, Computer Literacy 20 marks. Marking scheme 1 mark for each correct answer, no negative marking.
So method of selection is admission is based on entrance examination and departmental assessment only. Selection for the Master of Public Health course are made through written entrance examination and an interview. So selection will be based on written entrance exam and an interview. Stage 1, a written test carrying 200 marks with a duration of 180 minutes in the subject the candidate has applied for. The question paper will consist of 200 multiple choice questions MCQs. Candidates scoring more than 50% marks in stage 1 will be considered for stage 2. Stage 2 based on merit list from stage 1. Candidates 3 times the number of seats advertised will be called for a departmental assessment carrying 50 marks. Final selection, candidate who secure 50% marks in stage 1 and 2 combined will be eligible for admission and will be included in the final merit list. Inter se merit, in the event that 2 or more candidates obtained equal marks in the entrance examination, inter se merit for selection to the course shall be determined as follows. A, if marks obtained in the entrance examination are also the same, then the older in age candidates shall rank higher than the younger one. The final decision rests with the director AIIMS Rishikesh. B, a candidate who has made more attempts in passing the qualifying examination, MBBS, BDS, etc. will rank lower than a candidate who has made fewer attempts. C, if the number of attempts made in passing the qualifying examination, MBBS, BDS, etc. is also the same, the candidate with higher marks in the qualifying examination will rank higher than the candidate who has obtained lower marks. So in this video, information regarding AIIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health Entrance Exam 2024-25 session, important dates and entrance exam pattern and syllabus has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exams like AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, Pune University, Lucknow University, Christian Medical College Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if a student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.